Hi, you're sewing with Cody and Pete. So in today's video, we are actually going to create names using the alphabets that are built into the sewing side of the machine. So today we're on the 770, but this applies for most of all the current model machines with a touchscreen because we use the same interface. So let's go to our alphabets. And so you can see on this machine, we've got four English alphabets to choose from. So let's select this one. I like this one. But if we were to just to click on the letter, we're going to see that it will just repeat that same letter over and over and over. We don't want that. Well, not in this case. So if we wanted to stitch the same design, which is what this is, the letter E is just any normal decorative stitch. If we wanted to do like in initials over and over and over just on a project, this would be perfect, just like any other decorative stitch. But if we want to create a name, we need to go one step further. So see this plus sign? This is our combi mode, or combination mode. So if we click on it, we can see there's nothing on our screen. But now we can start adding stuff. So if you wanted to type a name, you can easily go and type your name, or a date. But there's another way we can see everything at once. So if you want, we can just come to the eye and you hit the little trash can and delete those. So let's go back. So it's still in combination mode. So let's open this little window up. And look, it looks a little different. So now we can type whatever we want. So let's say if we want to just type a name. So uppercase, we go to lowercase. There we are. So then there's a name. But you're not just limited by just adding fonts together. I can go and add a decorative stitch. Hello bicycle. So there we are. So now it'll stitch out my name and then it'll stitch out a bicycle. Super cool. So you see these little arrows. So just say if we accidentally typed in a letter we didn't want, we can scroll through and select it and delete it. Or if we want to add something in its place, open up the window. And so we have the arrows here. So I can come and then add a letter. So if you notice, whatever design that you have selected, it's going to add whatever you select behind it. So like right now, it add the O behind the D. So you just erase it, go to the C, and then add it. So then it will add each letter. A common mistake that people make is they'll click the combi mode when they're just regular sewing or whatnot, and then it doesn't allow them to sew repeatedly. It gives them issues. So just make sure if you're having problems with selecting a design and it's not stitching like you're supposed to, make sure you're not in combi mode. So to go in and out of combi mode, you just hit the plus sign and it'll take you back and forth. All right. So that is how we do names, dates, or anything using the decorative stitches or like the alphabets on your sewing side in the combi mode. All right, happy sewing.